Welcome to Arabic Info Auto, your trusted source for the latest in defense technology and aviation advancements from around the world. Today, we are taking you deep into the world of Pakistan's cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle, the 2026 Shahpar-II. This is not just another drone, it is a symbol of indigenous innovation, advanced engineering, and the growing self-reliance of Pakistan's defense industry. The Shahpar-II, developed by the Global Industrial Defense Solutions, or GIDS, is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle that has been making headlines in military circles since its first appearance. By 2026, it has evolved into one of the most reliable and versatile of platforms in the region. It is designed for both intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions as well as precision strike capabilities, making it a powerful dual-role asset. At first glance, the Shahpar-II impresses with its sleek aerodynamic design and robust structure, measuring around 6 meters in length with an impressive wingspan. It is built for stability and endurance. The 2026 variant features improved composite materials, making the airframe lighter yet stronger, enhancing both range and payload capacity. With a maximum takeoff weight of about 1,650 kilograms, it can carry a wide range of sensors, cameras, and even weapons such as the indigenous Spark laser-guided missile. Performance-wise, the upgraded Shahpar-II is capable of flying at altitudes of over 20,000 feet with an endurance of up to 20 hours. This long endurance allows it to stay over target areas for extended periods, collecting critical intelligence or waiting for the perfect moment to engage. Its cruising speed of around 150 to 200 kilometers per hour offers a balance between fuel efficiency and mission flexibility. Equipped with satellite communication links, it can be operated well beyond visual line of sight, giving commanders real-time data from hundreds of kilometers away. One of the most important aspects of the Shahpar-II is its state-of-the-art avionics and sensor suite. The 2026 model is fitted with a higher-resolution electro-optical and infrared camera system, synthetic aperture radar for all-weather surveillance, and an advanced laser designator for precision targeting. These systems allow it to track and identify targets both day and night, even in adverse weather conditions. In a modern battlefield where intelligence and precision are crucial, these capabilities give Pakistan a significant tactical edge. The armed configuration of the Shahpar-II is equally impressive. It can carry multiple Bark missiles under its wings, capable of hitting both stationary and moving targets with pinpoint accuracy. This combination of reconnaissance and strike capability means the Shahpar-II can not only detect threats but also neutralize them in the same mission without relying on additional aircraft. By 2026, the Shahpar-II has proven itself in various military exercises and operations, integrating seamlessly with other branches of Pakistan's armed forces. Its role is not limited to combat. It has also been deployed in disaster response, border surveillance, and maritime patrols, demonstrating its versatility. For countries looking for a cost-effective yet capable love system, the Shahpar-II is a strong contender on the export market as well. What makes the Shahpar-II especially significant is that it is a product of Pakistan's own defense industry. In an era where many countries rely heavily on imported military hardware, developing such an advanced hub domestically is a remarkable achievement. It not only boosts national defense capabilities but also opens doors for technological exports, strengthening the economy. As global conflicts evolve and unmanned systems take on a greater role, Platforms like the 2026 Shahpar-II will become even more important, whether it is conducting long-range surveillance, guiding precision strikes, or supporting humanitarian missions. The sub is ready to meet the challenges of modern warfare and beyond. Stay tuned to Arabic Info Auto for more updates on the world's most advanced defense technologies. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Shahpar-II, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our next video.